the forecast said that it's raining pink balls. Oh! I didn't even finish my sentence. Right, so it's definitely raining pink balls today. Oh, it hurts. Oh, pink balls. Oh! Let me finish my sentence. Alright, so as I was saying, pink balls are very bad. Oh! Oh, crap. Right, take 2, 3, 2, 1, go. Balls are very dead. Oh, I didn't try dodging them every time I say balls. Oh, come on, every time I say balls, that thing comes out of nowhere. Oh. Right, as Spooderman, God does not have the balls to hit me. Oh, more. Right, balls, man. Oh, oh crap. Right, you asked for this. Where the hell are you? This mask is so bad. Right, balls are very deadly, kids. You've not got near them. Right, balls man out for today. Right. Oh, that was a very good film, weren't it, balls? Don't you? Oh! Because one of my friends' names are balls doesn't mean yes. Oh crap! Taking that ball now. No. I've had enough of it. Hey, get out. I said, get out! Where the hell would it go? Oh. Right, I'm finishing it off. Oh, shoot! Ow. Oh. Take this back, boy. Oh, I suck at throwing. Right. Boo the balls to the rescue. Oh. Can't even stand up without saying balls. Right, ball, throw it at me, I dare you. Oh, I've had enough. I'm going to get rid of this once and for all. Get out of... Oh.
Good night.